Hey there, fellow gamers. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of retro gaming. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, turning your Raspberry Pi 4 into the ultimate retro gaming machine. Get ready to relive the nostalgia and play your favorite classic games right on your TV. Let's dive in. Before we start gaming, let's set up our Raspberry Pi 4 for the ultimate retro gaming experience. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. First, make sure you have a Raspberry Pi 4 board, a microSCARD, a power supply, and a compatible gamepad. You'll also need a keyboard and mouse for initial setup. Once you have everything, install the RetroPie operating system on your microSCARD. This custom software package is designed specifically for retro gaming on the Raspberry Pi, adding ROMs and emulators. Now that our Raspberry Pi 4 is set up, let's add some games. RetroPie supports a wide range of retro gaming consoles and systems, so you'll have plenty of options to choose from. To add games, you'll need ROM files for the respective consoles. These files contain the game data and are available from various online sources. Make sure to only download ROMs for games you already own. Configuring controllers and game settings. With our games added, let's configure our controllers and game settings to optimize our gaming experience. RetroPie makes it easy to configure your gamepad, ensuring seamless gameplay. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be ready to play in no time. Additionally, you can tweak various game settings, such as resolution, aspect ratio, and audio options to suit your preferences. Segment 4, exploring the retro gaming library. Now comes the fun part, exploring the vast retro gaming library on our Raspberry Pi 4. RetroPie provides an intuitive interface where you can easily browse through your game collection, launch your favorite titles, and enjoy the magic of retro gaming. Segment 5, tips for Raspberry Pi 4 retro gaming. Before we wrap up, let's share some tips to enhance your Raspberry Pi 4 retro gaming experience. Tip number 1, overclock your Raspberry Pi 4 to maximize its performance. This can provide smoother gameplay and faster loading times for certain games. Tip number 2, connect your Raspberry Pi 4 to your TV using an HMI cable for the